Hi flute players. So you've learned how to make a sound on the head joint and now you've put your flute together again. And if your flute's not together, pause the video and put it together. The next thing is, where do I put my fingers? Okay, now I have put dots on mine and I will do that for you if you ask me. The dots are where you do not put your fingers. So you'll notice that there's certain keys that have no dots, right? This one's easy to find, right? Everybody knows where that key is. That's the pinky of your left hand. Then your ring finger of your left hand goes right next to it. Then your middle finger right next to that. You'll see that I have a dot on the next one. That's because you leave that key alone and you put your finger on this smaller key. It's not going to seem logical because you're going to want to put it there, but you need to put it there. No finger goes up here. That's why I have a dot on it. Okay, so it's like these three fingers are together and this finger's by itself over here. And then you're going to notice that the flute naturally just kind of wants to rest on your hand when you do that. Right? You're just bending your fingers. My thumb is still sticking up over here. I'm just like holding it on my hand. So if you are able to put your hands straight up and down like this, it's almost like I'm shaking hands with somebody, but the flute is sitting on my hand. I will tell you, it's this part of my hand right here. The flute is sitting right there, just on the finger ahead of the knuckle. Right, so if I put it back, and I can put all my fingers back on those keys just by bending them, then you'll see it's almost underneath, almost. My hand is bigger than yours probably. Mine's pretty much underneath this first pad, but you're probably underneath this little metal here, and it points. There's actually a spot where that little metal thing points right down there, right? So if your hand should be kind of underneath there. So let's see if I can do this for you again. You're balancing at that point on that spot on your finger. You should be able to bend your fingers to put them on those keys. Now this thumb is sticking out here and you just want to put it on the back here. This key right here. Don't use this one yet, use this one. We'll talk about that one later. For now, this is the one you want. Okay, so then if you had to take your fingers off the keys, the flute would be balanced on your hand, right? If you were trying to hold it up like this, oh, what am I gonna do? The flute's gonna keep falling, right? So we need it to sit on your hand. When you can do that, then you've got your left hand position correct.